Hello learners, I just want to take a few minutes and go over the Modern World 2 Totalitarianism, Socratic, and DBQ unit. We are moving on to the next unit, but if you have not completed this unit, you want to make sure you do this and then you can move on to the next one. If you are further behind than this unit, then you just want to pick up and move to this unit and go back to the other two at your own leisure. Okay, but we want to make sure everybody is staying around the same pace. Okay, if you remember the essential questions, how did totalitarian leaders contribute to the breakdown of democratic ideals, and how does totalitarianism connect to our world today? And the project overview, you're going to look at this. You see the rise of totalitarian rule, and it'll go over the DBQ document analysis. There's an outline, introduction, paragraph, and conclusion. So it's broken down really nicely. And it's all centered on this question: how did propaganda and the agendas of totalitarian leaders contribute to a breakdown of democratic ideals in the 1930s? So if you go back and look at all of the resources, you're going to see a lot of stuff about Stalin, Hitler, okay, and you're going to think about the propaganda. How did this happen? How did the Holocaust happen? There's so many people that say, why didn't somebody speak up? What was going on? And like I said, you will go through and you'll talk about how did the democratic ideals break down with totalitarianism, the propaganda. Direct quotes are amazing. There's a lot of great stuff in here that you can include in your DBQ answer. Okay, so remember, like I said, it is breaking it down really nicely. You're going to look at totalitarian rule, figure out what it is, analyze some documents. There's the outline, the introduction, the paragraphs, body paragraphs, the conclusion, and then you turn it in. Okay. Now, here is the pace chart, and on the pace chart you can see the power focus areas at the top that need to be completed. And remember, the additional focus area is if you want to earn the maximum amount of credit. And if you look, we did start this project originally in October, and we finished it a little bit before winter break. Okay, and everything was broken down by the checkpoints. And again, if you want a content assessment approved, you can reach out to me, and I can do that during the day, or I usually do it between 8 and 9 and 3 and 4 o'clock. Okay, and then you can go in at your leisure and complete it. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me, but make sure you are working on this one or the newest one. And the previous two can be worked on, like I said, at your leisure. And we're trying to, get everybody on pace. Now, if you have any questions about any specific checkpoints, you can go into Google Classroom under totalitarianism, and you can start at the beginning and just kind of work your way through, and I explain you to the checkpoints. Okay, so have a wonderful week, and there you go. Bye.